Product-wise energy consumption. This query trigger is available under Business Segments and Product section. This query trigger enables you to find companies on the basis of consumption of source of energy for products produced in the selected year. Let us understand the functioning of this query trigger with the help of an example. Suppose we want to find companies that consume the energy of coal for production of kraft paper and paper board in the year March 2014. To execute this query, you need to follow 6 steps. The first step is to select the product from the Product Services classification tree. Let us click on Kraft paper and paper board available under Paper Newsprint and Paper Board under Pulp and Paper Products. The second step is to select the source of energy from the Select Sources of Energy box. Let us select coal by marking the checkbox against it. The third step is to enter the appropriate date on which the search should be conducted. The default selection is L, and let us change it to 2014-03 in the Query on Dates box. Let us retain the default selection in the Output Dates box as AP. The date formats used in the Query on Dates and Output Dates are explained in the Help on Dates, which can be accessed by clicking on the question mark icon available just above the Query on Dates box. The fourth step is to choose the appropriate domain. There are 2 domains available, All Companies and Companies in Current OSE. The domain All Companies will conduct a search over all the companies available in the Prowess database. The domain Companies in Current OSE will conduct a filtering on the companies available in the current output sheet. The default selection is All Companies. Let us retain the same. The fifth step is to select the appropriate output destination from Select Output Destination box. There are 4 formats possible. The first is the OSE format, which lists the names of companies which have satisfied the criteria given in the query trigger. The second format is WS, which is the worksheet which displays companies and products by energy. The third format is also WS, which displays companies and energy by products. The fourth format is TXT, which displays data in a text file. Let us select WS, which displays companies and product by energy as our output destination. The sixth step is to click on the appropriate execute option to execute this query. The domain selected by us is All Companies, so we can choose any one of 3 execute options available, which are Add to Current OSE and WS, Send to New OSE and WS, and Replace Current OSE and WS. Add to Current OSE and WS adds the names of qualifying companies in the current output sheet and adds the qualifying companies with its data in worksheet. Send to New OSE and WS creates a new output sheet of names of qualifying companies and worksheet of qualifying companies and its data. Replace Current OSE and WS replaces the contents in the current output sheet with the names of the qualifying companies and creates a new worksheet of qualifying companies and its data. Let us click on Send to New OSE and WS. After the query has been successfully executed, the New Outputs button will start blinking. Click on the New Outputs button. You will see that 2 outputs OSE and WS have been generated and are selected by default in the Output Downloader box. You can click on the Continue button to download both these outputs. The worksheet will display companies and data for companies which consumed coal energy for the production of kraft paper and paper board in the year March 2014. A new OSE will also be created, which will display only names of the qualifying companies. You can click on the output view to view the same.